When you hand someone a paper business card, chances are it's in the trash by the next day. So here's the fix: a digital business card, a live contact card on your phone that someone scans with a QR code, and your details, links, and socials land on their phone instantly. I'm going to show you how to make one for free with Blinq in just a few minutes. iPhone, Android, doesn't matter. And the other person doesn't need any app to receive it. Before we build one, why bother? 3 reasons. Paper cards die, they get trashed, go out of date, and cost so much money to reprint. A digital card does way more. One scan gets someone all of your socials, portfolio, and booking links, and it works both ways. When someone opens your card, Blinq captures their details too. You walk away with a contact instead of stalking their socials for an email you forgot to get. For this, I'm using Blinq, the highest rated digital business card app. 4.8 on G2, 4.9 on the App Store, and has over 4 million users, and it takes minutes to set up. Head to the App Store or Google Play and search Blinq, B-L-I-N-Q. Download it, open it, and sign up. Use your work email or Google account, and Blinq will ask if you want to create your first card. Tap Create. The free plan gives you 2 cards. Keep that in mind because we'll use a second one later in this video. Start with the basics: name, job title, company. Then add a profile photo and your company logo. Do not skip the photo. A card with a face on it gets remembered way more often than one without. Next, your contact information: phone, email, website. Pick the channels you actually want people reaching you on. An empty field is way better than a number or link you don't monitor. This is where digital beats paper for good. Tap Add and attach your important links: LinkedIn, Instagram, your calendar booking link, a portfolio, even a payment handle. You can update or change any details anytime, and everyone who already has your card sees the updates instantly. I personally like adding a scheduling link. Someone can scan my card, tap book a meeting, and they're on my calendar while they're still standing in front of me. Don't forget to make it yours. Pick a color or a theme that matches your brand. If your company gets Blinq for your whole team, your branding might already be locked in, but solo users get plenty of styles. Some design tips: keep it clean, use a clear photo, one brand color, and only include the links that matter. One last thing, Blinq lets you create multiple cards, different personas for different situations. A work card with your title and booking link, a side hustle card with your portfolio and Instagram, and a personal card that's just your number and socials, because trying to exchange LinkedIn's would be weird at a barbecue. Free users get 2 cards, and premium gets you up to 5. They all live in the same app, and you choose which cards to share every time. Congrats! Your card is ready to share with others. First, through the QR code. Pull it up, they point their camera at it, and your card opens on their phone. The other person doesn't need to download anything or even need Wi-Fi. And because the card is live, your QR code never goes stale. You can update your details, and the same code keeps working. Second, through the share link. Blinq gives you a free email signature you can drop the link into, or share it through your LinkedIn bio or via text. Anywhere a link can live, your card can live too. Third, if you've got a Blinq NFC card or a compatible phone, you can tap to share, phone to phone, done. And remember, it works both ways. When they open your card, they save you in one tap, and you capture their details right back. And we don't just mean saving their name. Blinq finds their profile photo and fills in the job details they never typed, so you walk away with a full contact. It even records when and where you met. That's something the Apple contacts can't do. So months later, when their name comes back around, you remember exactly who they are and what you talked about. You can use your Blinq card through several shortcuts on your iPhone or Android. For your Apple Wallet, open Blinq, swipe to your card, scroll down and tap Add Card to Wallet, then hit Add. Double-click the side button and it's on screen. And if you have more than one card, you can add each one to the wallet separately. Second, the lock screen widget. Add the Blinq widget and your QR code to your lock screen so you don't even need to unlock your phone to share. Third, if you wear an Apple Watch, your card lives on your wrist too. It's included for free. So that's it. That's how you create a free digital business card in minutes. Shared by QR code, link, tap, Apple or Google Wallet, or straight off your wrist. Check it out through the download link in the description below.